Temperature 36 degrees. Humidity 52%. North wind 10 miles an hour. Pressure 29.88 inches and steady. Friday Harbor, sunny 39. Whidbey Island, mostly sunny 40. Everett, mostly sunny 40. Seattle Airport, probably sunny 40. Portis, sunny temperature 43. Inland water winter puts at Smith Island, northeast 4. Point northwest 7. Point northwest, north 6. Westpoint, 9. Mountain Point, north 8. Point north 3. Pressure reports in Milliband at 3 p.m. Seattle, 10-12. Wenatchee and Bellingham, 10-13. Portland, Portland, 10-11. Astoria, 10-10. North Central Oregon, 1,008. The Marine South Survey and Columbia River Buoy, northeast 4, feet 9 feet 12 seconds. Cape Elizabeth Buoy, southeast 6, feet 9 feet 11 seconds. Destruction Island, north 3, southeast 14. Tragish Island, east 12. La Perouse Buoy, east 10, feet 12 seconds. Shillingham, east 9. Place Rock, north 12. Eddie Cook, north 5. High Bank Buoy, north 10. Halibut Bank Buoy, southwest 4. Harris 8, northeast 9. East Point, north 5. Sand Head, west 3. The Marine Force prepared to Sound and Hood Canal. Wind 5 to 10 knots. Becoming light. Wind waves 1 foot or less. Sunday, light wind becoming south 10 knots. Wind waves 1 foot or less. Sunday night, south wind 10 knots, rising to 10 to 20 knots. Wind waves 1 to 3 feet. Chance of rain in the evening. After midnight. Night, wind waves 1 foot or less. Sunday, southeast, 10 to 15 knots. Wind waves 1 or 2 feet. Sunday night, southeast, wind 10 to 20 knots, rising to 20 to 30 knots. Wind to 3 feet, building to 3 to 5 feet. Chance of rain in the evening, very night. Monday, southeast, wind 20 to 30 knots. Wind waves 3 to 5 feet. The Marine forecast. Strait of Juan de Fuca tonight. Southeast wind 10 to 15 knots. Wind waves 1 or 2 feet. West swell 7 feet at 10 seconds. Subsiding to 5 feet at 10 seconds after midnight. Sunday, south wind 10 to 15 knots. Wind waves 1 or 2 feet. West swell 5 feet at 9 seconds. Sunday night, southeast wind 10 to 20 knots, rising to 20 to 30 knots. 1 to 3 feet, building to 3 to 6 feet. West swell 3 feet at 8 seconds. Rain. Monday, south wind 20 to 50 knots. Day 3 to 6 feet. South swell